Next, a hoop is resting vertically at a staircase as shown in the diagram. Now what is the hoop? This is the hoop. A circular, not circular, it's a cylindrical part actually. It's just a ring. No cylindrical, nothing. It's just a ring. Even I didn't know about it. So next, it's a hoop is resting on the staircase. Okay. Now what is given and what is asked? AB equals to 12 means this length equals to 12 and BC equals to 8 centimeter. Then the radius of the hoop is, we have to find the radius. Okay. These two lengths are given, AB and BC. Okay. What we'll do is we'll draw this figure. Take OC, OA. Take this as radius. This is the radius, so take this as x. Okay. Let the radius be x. Now what happens? Rectangle A, B, C and see this. D is a point over here. It's an imaginary point which we have taken. We draw parallel to AB a line CD, right? And AD parallel to BC. Dotted line, see this. And this is the point D. Now what happens? This is 8. So this will also be 8. AD will also be 8. AB is 12. So DC will be 12, right? So now OA equals to x and AD equals to 8. So OD will be x minus 8, right? Now in triangle ODC, see this, okay? ODC is 90 because this is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle. So ODC is 90, okay? Therefore OC square equals to OD square plus DC square. Now what is OC? X. What is OD? X minus 8. What is DC? 12, right? Therefore x square equals to, solve this, x square minus 16x plus 64 plus 144. So this, add them, you get 16x, this x square gets cancelled and take 16x on this side. You get 16x equals to, total of this is 208. So x equals to 208 upon 16, that is 14. So radius, what is x? X is radius. Therefore radius of the hoop is 14 centimeter.